How was your day? Can you translate this into Russian? Как был твой день? Now, more natural to ask, как прошел твой день? We use verb of motion to go, идти, in the past шел, with the prefix perfective прошел, result. Surprisingly, but English does the same thing. How is your day going? We use with present verb of motion to go. In Russian, как проходит твой день? So, how was your day? Как прошел твой день? How is your day going? Как проходит твой день? And what about you? Как прошел твой день?